Hi, welcome back to graphixslice channel. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare openings in a wall. So select a wall. So I'm going to prepare a basic wall, that too customized basic wall. So in that, basic wall is base constraint to ground level and top constraint to RCC. So I'm going to prepare a basic wall from ground level to RCC. So just approximately we are going to take around 40 by 50 or 52. Okay, so just we prepared one basic wall. So then go to the 3D view. So here it is in 3D view. So just pick any wall to edit. So go to edit profile. So here you will get edit profile option. It look like a 2D sketch, so you can edit directly in 3D view also, or else you can go to elevation view, or else here in 3D, so you can switch to right view. So we can switch to right view. So here you can see like this. So here you can prepare a opening. Approximately if I prepare 3 by 4 or 3.5 by 4, just click finish. See how it looks. So like this opening you will get here. So if I want to prepare a wall opening, so go to edit profile. So in that edit profile, just prepare a rectangular opening, that too 3 by 7 I'm going to prepare. But here rectangle and this boundary line is overlapped. So when you are preparing a openings, so it must be a closed profile. Here two closed profile will be there. So for that reason, just remove this and prepare opening here. So just go to modify tool. So split element, prepare, just crop here, then delete this too. So now we got a complete one profile. So like this we can prepare openings. So this is about wall opening. Here if you want to design something else, so you can use additional drawings. Like if I want to prepare arc, so go to the draw tools, so define any different shapes. Just delete this and click finish. See, so you'll get a openings in arc shape also. So even for windows also same thing. So if you want to prepare any customized shapes or designs, just go and prepare like this. So after that, if you want to prepare arc, you can prepare a arc also. I want to make this one as a mirror, so use mirror tool also. To know more about modify tools, so watch my previous sessions. So now I'm going to draw mirror line, first point and second point. So you'll get a reflection. So you can do in right wave also, or else you can prepare in 3D wave also. Done, click finish. So like this we can prepare openings in a wall. And even though if you want to prepare a boundary line, so this one, erase this and you can prepare as per your need like this. So you can customize with arc, line, whatever it may be. I'm going to prepare arc from this point to this point with different shapes. So like this also we can edit, but so no need to prepare like this. So automatically, so depending upon the roof shapes and curves, automatically wall will be adjusted to the roof. So like this we can prepare wall openings, so with the help of edit profile tool. So after that, if you want to get default one again, so just click here, reset profile. Automatically every customized edit will be removed and you will get a default one you will get while using reset profile. So with the help of edit profile you can prepare a customization, or else you can prepare openings anywhere in a basic wall or else any partition wall. Okay, so like this we can prepare openings in a linear or else straight wall. If I prepare an arc shape wall, so here in wall type, so if I go with the arc shape wall like this, So now how to prepare opening. So here edit profile option is not available. Why? Because so we can't prepare a edit profile. So that's why here if you need a wall openings, then go to the wall opening tool. Here you can prepare a wall opening, but it's in the form of rectangular openings only. See, so we can prepare a rectangular openings like this. So using wall opening tool. So under wall opening, so need to find the snap point, and again you can click here. So anytime anywhere you can edit it. So just using these control points. See, so you can increase the height, length, width, whatever it may be the portion. So you can increase and decrease, and we can prepare a openings. But in edit profile we can prepare a any shape of opening, but here you can't prepare different shapes. It must be in the form of rectangular opening only. So if you want to prepare a different shapes of walls, so go to the wall, in wall type. Here by using a different wall shapes means draw tools, you can prepare a different shapes of walls. So we prepared rectangular wall shape and arc shape. Even you can prepare a circular wall also, see here, and even you can prepare a polygonal shape, and even you can prepare a fillet for a sharp edges. So how to prepare a fillet? See here we have a tools. So fillet arc, tangent, different tools will be there. So I'm going to fillet arc option here. So you can fillet the edge. See here. So we can smoothen the shape. So we can prepare a arc edges. So and we can define a radius also. Here also we can prepare same. See, one edge and another edge. So we can define a radius. So these are all the different types of shapes we can prepare in a wall. So linears means rectangular, arc shape, polygonal shape, circular shapes, and even elliptical shape also we can prepare. This is the elliptical shape. So like this we can prepare different types of wall shapes and wall openings. So wall openings through the help of edit profile option. But for arc shape walls you need to go to prepare wall opening. So but here you will get only rectangular openings. But here, so through the help of edit profile, so in any shape we can prepare a openings. See, randomly if I prepare any shape, so you'll get the opening. But one more thing remember, so if you want to place a door or window, no need to prepare a opening. When you are placing a component, either it may door, see, automatically door will be placed. So no need to prepare a opening for door and window while placing. See, automatically it will prepare. So in a opening you can't place a door or window. So one more thing observe, so when you are placing a door or window, it shows one dotted extension lines. That means that is the sill height. After placing the component also, here with the help of properties we can set the sill height. So if it is a wall, so no need to place a sill height. Automatically it will take from a 0 feet. So on the window automatically comes with a 3 feet height. If you want to change the sill height, you can change through the sill height option. So like this we can define a different shapes of walls, and we can prepare a different shapes of openings, where by using edit profile option. For arc type opening you need to prepare a wall openings only, and anytime if you want to flip the interior and exterior, so go to the plan view. So here we can switch to interior and exterior. So this is represents exterior face and interior face. This symbol represents exterior face. So switch outside, so then you will get the exterior color outside, interior color inside. This is about wall shapes and openings. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit like also.